All right, guys, we have something cool I want to show you guys today. So we're going to do a coat opening. So we're going to hand this to Denise. Denise, hold that up to him and show him what it is.
It is the Godox AD200 Pro 2 Pocket Flush.
So it's even not really fit in your pocket. But
It does not.
so open it up piece by piece and let's see what we got.
Okay.
Now, I had this splash back when it very first came out. This is just some clean. You use that. It's a nice box that Godox put it in.
Godox is a nice box.
Godox always gives cool boxes.
And you are a box person.
I love the boxes.
Boxes, cases.
That's me.
Backpacks, whatever.
So this is everything in your box, and there's a Godox AD200, there's a Godox AD200 Pro, there's a Godox AD200 Pro 2. This is the Godox AD200 Pro 2. It's the newest version, and this is it. What we have in there, and if you'll notice these right here, this is cooling. This is to keep it cool because this will shoot continuously, very fast in the hot sun and not overheat theoretically. It's also got the new room seat of the battery. On the battery. With the battery. Yeah. Pull that white off. Alright. I'll put this battery in here. Gonna attempt to put the battery in here. I'm gonna turn this on. Now one thing about this, thing very cool, is it has the new menu you can see right there where it says TTL. So it winds up with the X3 and all the new triggers. So the power is the same. So it stayed 200 all through. But this one has a cooling unit here, cooling unit on the side. It shoots super fast. You don't have to worry about it overheating as much. Now it also has the little time that I had to play with it when it first came out. The TTL was the most accurate TTL I'd ever seen in my life. I mean, it was dead on every shot, shooting fast, shooting slow. Remember, I think you was doing the shoot with you. It was just nailing every shot, unlike any TTL I'd ever seen. So I thought, while everything is going up, let's get one before they go too high. This, the old way, you've seen the modeling bulbs, and they used to have the little part that would go in, but now it goes around this ring. And do you know what this ring does, Denise?
Nope.
This ring is a modeling light. So if you're shooting your model, and this is on, you have to change this around. Okay, so now we've got it on for this. So without any firing, we can turn this modeling light on, and we can turn that up and down so we can see through the camera what our image looks like. And then we can fire away, and we have the soft lights around however you want to do it. This also has a modeling light built into it. It's kind of hard to see. You see the lights? So the little lights right here. Those are for your modeling. And you can switch the two heads around. This works really good if you want to use a softbox. So it's all Bowen's mount. Then this will go on a light stand if you want it to.
Yes, several mounts.
Now you can go sideways. I always generally go flat. And then just put this on your light stand, and you can tilt it whichever way you want.
And then charger.
This is the charger for our battery when it goes dead. You're going to get over 600 shots on this battery. I think that's another advantage of the new. I think the old one was 500. This one's 600. This is another way to charge it. I've got a whole charging wall where I charge everything, so I don't use much of these. Got so much stuff as to be charged. I have one shelf full, and that's all it does is charge.
Card with charger. Cord charger.
With the charger.
And more directions.
Nobody cares about directions. And we're good. So anyway, guys, we're going to be testing this in a few days. I'll get Denise. We're in January, so one day it might be 80, one day it might be 22, so we never know here, but try to get her outside, and we'll shoot some pictures. We'll get the batteries on this charged up, and we'll see if the TTL is as good as I thought it was, or if that was a fluke that we ran into back then. So anyway, guys, this is it, the AD200 Pro 2. It's beautiful. Get them right now before the prices go sky high. I saw one on eBay the other day for $800, just like this. And I don't think he'll get $800, but I hope he's not. Hope he don't have any knowledge towards what's coming, because I would hate it if these were $800. That would be insane. But anyway, guys, that will be it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what we had. Thank you, Denise, for showing us certainly everything. And here's the box it comes in. And anyway, give us a few days and we'll have a test video out on it. We appreciate it. Thanks. We'll see you later. Thanks.